Have you ever felt completely stuck in the middle of a major life change? Maybe it was starting a new job, moving to a new city, or ending a relationship. Before we dive in, take a moment to think about a recent change in your own life. Write down the first word that comes to mind when you think about that experience. Got it? Let's explore how journaling can transform those moments of uncertainty into opportunities for growth. Change is uncomfortable, but it's also where growth begins. Did you know that research shows people who journal during major life transitions experience 40% less anxiety and feel more in control? That's incredible, isn't it? Last year, I faced a huge career shift. At first, I felt unstuck and unsure of what to do next. Then I turned to my journal and asked myself, what new possibilities could come from this change? Writing helped me see opportunities I hadn't noticed before, and slowly I began to feel hopeful. Here's a question for you. What can this change bring into your life? Take a moment to write that down now. Let's make this actionable with some journaling prompts. Journaling helps you process change in a way that feels manageable. Here are 4 prompts to get you started. What opportunities could this change create? What strengths can I lean on during this time? What's one small step I can take to move forward? What aspects of this change can I be thankful for? Here's an example. When I moved to a new city, I used these prompts to identify ways to meet new people and create a fresh start. It felt less overwhelming once I had my thoughts on paper. Write this down. Choose one prompt and take 20 seconds to write your response. Here's another idea to deepen your journaling practice. Let me introduce you to the Change Compass. It's a tool I use to navigate big shifts with clarity. Here's how it works. North. What's your guiding value or goal? Write this at the top of your page. East. What excites you about this change? Explore the possibilities. West. What challenges might arise? Write them down and brainstorm solutions. South. What grounds you? Think about the people, habits, or routines that keep you steady. When I used this method during a life transition, it helped me break things down into smaller steps and see the bigger picture. Your turn. Write down your north and south points right now. Think about a recent change in your life. How did you handle it? How might you approach it differently with these tools? I'd love for you to join the conversation. Here's an idea. Write a short reflection about how you've grown from a recent change and add it to our change journaling wall in the comments below. Before this video ends, write down a positive affirmation about change. Here's an example. Every new experience helps me grow. Then scan the QR code on your screen to download my free 25 journaling prompts. These prompts are designed to help you navigate change with confidence and purpose. Thank you for sharing this time with me today. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more ways to grow through journaling. Next time, we'll explore how to craft meaningful intentions for the year ahead. I'll share simple strategies to help you design a joy blueprint for 2025. I can't wait to share those tips with you. See you soon.